In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Confluence. By the end, you'll confidently place, format and publish images so your pages look clean and professional. First, open the Confluence page you want to work on. At the top right, click Edit to switch into editing mode. This puts the page into a draft state where you can make changes without affecting what others see until you're ready to publish. Next, decide exactly where the image should appear. Click in the body of the page to place your cursor. This spot becomes the anchor for your image, so choosing it now helps keep your layout predictable and tidy. To insert the image, you have two simple options. The fastest is to drag and drop an image file from your computer directly onto the page. Confluence will upload it and place it right where your cursor is. If you prefer the menu, click the Insert Files and Images icon. It may look like a paperclip or an image icon, then choose Upload Files and pick your image. Common formats like PNG and JPG work great, and keeping file sizes small helps pages load quickly for everyone. Quick note while we're here, I've placed a link to the Confluence website at the very top of the description so you can sign in or open your workspace easily. Once the image appears, you can adjust how it looks. Click the image to reveal the Resize handles, then drag to make it larger or smaller. Aim for a size that keeps text readable around it without overwhelming the page. Use the alignment options in the toolbars to place the image left, center, or right. Consistent alignment, like centering all single images or left aligning images near related text, makes your page feel more professional and easier to scan. If you want to add context, click the image and select Add Caption, then type a short description. Captions help readers understand what they're seeing, especially in long documents or when sharing with teammates who may be skimming. When you're happy with everything, save your work by clicking Publish at the top right. This makes your changes live for your team. If you're still refining, remember you can keep editing. Drafts are saved as you go, but publishing is what shares your updates. For best results, use web-optimized images to reduce load times and keep your layout consistent across devices. That's it. Simple, clean, and effective. If this helped, feel free to check the link in the description. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.